Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to get into the boot menu or to select a boot device for this ASUS laptop. It is the X551M model. So presently now this customer would have asked me to reinstall the Windows on this laptop. So I'm actually in the boot menu. I will be installing Windows by using a flash drive. As you can see, this is the flash drive plugged in. So the second option, right, so that one there will be the flash drive. So I just want to restart the laptop for you just to show you how to get to this screen, which is called the boot menu. So once you press the power button, just continue pressing down on the escape key. Right, so this is the escape key just below the power button there to your left hand. So that's all you need to do when you want to reach the boot menu or select a booting device for this ASUS X551M laptop. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.